There is no doubt about it that in today's society, with social media and all the newspapers and all the online stuff, that there is a lot of negativity going around. Everybody's always filled with the negative comments and the whole criticizing and everything. What's brought me to today's topic is one of my videos. It's a video that has the most amount of views on my channel. I published it almost a year ago when I was first getting into YouTube. I think I was maybe doing YouTube like 2 or 3 months. I didn't script it. I didn't really prepare for it. I thought that when I was creating it that I was just going to share my experience to hopefully help somebody else out. It's got over 20,000 views, which is great for me. At least I think it is. The first few comments that were a little more constructive criticism, I understood it. Looking back now, the video quality and the whole story behind it wasn't really well thought out. I thought about going back and redoing it. I probably won't go back and redo it because it's in the past. Some people understood that it was just me sharing my experience. Other people, well, they criticized the shit out of it. One thing I don't understand is... Fuck, there's a big ass tractor. One thing I don't understand is if you click on a video and you watch a few minutes or you watch the whole thing, why do you feel the need to chop the person down? Why do you feel the need to pretty much mock what they're saying? Why do you feel the need to waste your time on leaving a comment that at the time when the person put the video out or posted the photo or whatever, they did the best they could at that given time? Why do people feel the need to belittle people, make them feel like they're tiny? I'm thankful that I have pretty thick skin. I don't get too worked up about people's comments because the internet is full of keyboard warriors who think that their opinions is the only opinion that matters. The videos that I make aren't how-to videos. They're videos that I share with you guys on YouTube and my viewers, that I share my experience with, whether it's live in the moment or like that video, it was like a year or two in the making. I didn't get all hate on that video. There were some pretty decent comments and I appreciate those that left them. I've seen it with other things too. People just hate on them. It's like they feed on kicking people down or kicking people when they're down. And if you're gonna come to my channel and talk crap, whether it's against me, you're not gonna get too much of a reaction out of me other than maybe this video. All you're gonna get out of me if you leave a comment like that is I'll just shoot your comment down. I probably will leave a comment to your comment, but it's not going to be a comment that will allow you to react. It's going to be a one and done. If it's negative or you're trying to make me feel worthless or like a piece of crap, it's not going to work. That I live pretty much by the saying that life is too short. About a year and a half ago, when me and my wife had to put our fur baby down after like 11 or 12 years of having her, that I really learned that, wow, life is really too short. I'm not even all that old. Hitting my 30s, having the last 30 years happen pretty much in a blink of an eye, snap of a finger, and having to say goodbye to our girl in what felt like such a short time, even though it was 11 or 12 years, and it went by real fast. Life is too short to comment stupid comments, negative comments. If you get joy out of posting stupid or hurtful comments like that, then scroll on and get over it. Everybody's situation is different, so if you're shitting on their happiness or their experience, the negativity in the motorcycle community or any community at that isn't tolerated by a lot of people. Hi pal. You don't know what people have been through. You don't know what that person has had to deal with. You don't know what's going on in that person's head. Negativity isn't wanted, especially not on this channel. I like helping people out. I try my best to do so. I enjoy making people feel happy. If you're coming to this channel and you're gonna post or comment anything but helpful or constructive comments that haven't already been said, then like I said, you're not gonna get very much of a reaction out of me, except for pretty much an F off, go away type remark. Oh, and I almost forgot, 99,000 kilometers. Like I said, on the news and everything, and certain posts on social media and whatnot, there is way too much negativity out in that world. So if you end up on this channel, and specifically if you end up at this video, there is no place for negativity in this Moto Alley community. Sorry if this video seems a little on the harsh side, a little blunt, but it is what it is. This is a topic that I feel I need to talk about. I need to get my thoughts off my head, because there was the last comment that some lady left really kind of irked me, and I need to express myself. So another thing too is I haven't done this yet, but I want to thank Tim at Me and My Shadow for giving me pretty much my own video shout out. He didn't have to, just like he said I didn't have to send him that gift that I sent him. So I want to reach out and say thanks, Tim. I appreciate the kind words you had. You really didn't have to dedicate an entire video, but you did, and I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Go check his channel out if you haven't already. It's Me and My Shadow. It's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for checking it out. Keep smiling, keep your shiny side up, ride safe, and I will see everybody in the next video.